Hey, in this tutorial I will show you how to keep your Sony A7 III's shutter closed when the camera is powered off, allowing your camera's sensor to be protected from dust when swapping lenses. To get started, if you open up the menu on the A7S III, scroll all the way down to the Setup tab or the yellow briefcase icon, and then head down to item number 12, which is the Setup option, and then scroll down to Anti-Dust function. Next, make sure shutter when power off is toggled to on like it is in this example. And then finally, when you power off your camera, the shutter will now close. Sadly, this feature won't work if silent mode is on for shooting photos. It will be greyed out and not selectable in your menu. As well as this, your shutter is being used more and can increase the rate of failure for your shutter. I would not recommend leaving this feature on all the time. However, this is a handy feature for swapping lenses outside or in dusty environments, where you are trying to keep your sensor clean from dust. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.